think it's gonna work out. But fuck it. What's up, guys? So it's your boy LSX Media. We're here with Bulls. They doing their thing. We just got done shooting the promo video for Texas Truck Invasion. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. It's my first vlog, so don't mind me. If I look goofy, bro, don't worry about that. All right. I'm gonna do a little walk around with the trucks. Yes, sir. What? I'm a vlogger. Hey, it's your boy. On today's giveaway.
Damn. Y'all not finna get that.
Shit. Ando pedo la verga. Hey, drunk me is fun me. Drunk me is fun me. So if you see me at Buena Vida all fucked up, just know I'm having a good time. I'm here with my boy Thomas. Hold on, let me fix that hole. Yeah, okay, so I'm here with my boy Thomas. It's my first vlog with my camera. Don't mind me. Wow, this nigga just keeps looking at me, bro.
Bro, I've gotta stand right.
That nigga homosexual, bro. Okay, so look. Oh, clean. You know, Bulls DFW is always showing me mad love. That's why I love coming here, because they show me mad love, bro. I'm not from here, bro, but I keep coming back. You know why? Because they show me mad love. I'm out of breath. I'm fat as fuck. This shit's so uncomfortable, nigga. It's like holding my dick. Alright. We got the twins, yin and yang. My hole's too clean. So I'm gonna go show y'all my favorite truck. My favorite truck is this one. If y'all see this shit, just know I don't got a filter, so I don't be talking my shit. So if anything, you'll see this on TikTok or Facebook, or I don't fucking know. But this is my favorite truck. I love this nigga. Yeah. You know what it is. Alright, on a serious note, this is my first vlog, and I'm shooting the Texas Truck Invasion promo video for August 26th. I had a bunch of trucks pull up, 2 from Ground Zero. I would say like 10 from Bulls. Right now it's 2:04, and I have to go to Dallas in a little bit to do the second part of the promo shoot. Yeah, it's tiring, but I don't know. It gets hectic because sometimes you don't know what the fuck you're doing, and it's like, what the fuck. Yeah. So we're in Fort Worth. I love coming here. I'll keep you updated. I gotta be safe. So, like I said, I'm out here with my boys from Bulls. No way you took that long. Fucking knew it, bro. We're with the Young Duff truck. Dog Bulls.
That shit was too high, bro.
Bulls DFW.
My balls was sweating.
Hot as fuck, right?
Yeah, nigga.
Say what's up to the first vlog.
The
First vlog.
Yeah, you know, we outside, baby.
Oh man, you need to get stand by me, nigga. Next time I bring, next time I bring a decal. Yeah.
Your tire needs some air, bro. Your tire needs some air.
Which one's dropping?
This whole.
Swear.
That one look low as fuck.
That's the one you just fixed? Oh, yeah.
I told him where we at. Nigga almost said Dallas.
Hey, it's for work.
It's
Yeah,
full
I
word,
know,
bro.
bro. I had to correct
Gotta get it
myself.
right.
I know.
Gotta get it
Come
right.
on now.
Come
I
on.
know niggas, bro.
We don't claim Dallas, bro. We don't claim Dallas.
Cowboys.
Hey, hold on, not too much.
You a Cowboys fan? Let's go home.
DC for
Oh, whoa, whoa,
They're
whoa.
leading that nigga shit off my camera, bro.
DC for life, nigga. I ain't gonna care. Fuck your fucking football team, nigga.
Hey, what do we say around here?
I ain't gonna say it because it costs too much money.
PG-13.
It's
rated R.
Yeah, we don't do no violence.
No violence.
Pussy is full.
Insert the clip.
We get beat up on all that shit.
I got. That's why I love coming here.
You heard of it?
Thought about it. We on a Texas tour, my nigga. We went from Houston to Austin to Fort Worth and now to Dallas. Hey, we just missed San Antonio now, cuz.
San Antonio. I'm not going to San Antonio.
Hey, bro. Fuck Bulls, nigga.
Why you being fed?
Bro, imagine your homeboy helping you out.
Wait, do it again.
Like, imagine your homeboy helping you out. Fuck, nigga. Like, hey, nigga, hold my leg.
Hey, nigga, push my waist, nigga.
Yeah, on the way there.
On the bridge and shit.
On today's vlog, my boy loses tire. Eric.
Fucked up the 4G.
Fucked up.
Ah! They're stuck.
Yeah,
Chill, bro.
need some,
We need some oil.
some little Mecco, you know.
Fuck everybody, fuck everything, nigga. Get money, nigga. Run this shit up, nigga. Run this shit all the way up, nigga, till you can't run it no motherfucking more, nigga.